Welcome to Unit 1, Introduction to Programming Languages. This revision guide provides short, exam-oriented notes to help you quickly master the basics. We'll cover what programming languages are, their different types, and the key characteristics of a good language. A programming language is a set of rules, syntax, and commands used to communicate with a computer. Just as humans need language to talk, computers need a programming language to receive instructions from the user. It translates user commands into machine-readable code. Programming languages are broadly categorized into low-level and high-level languages. Low-level languages are close to the hardware and machine-dependent, like machine and assembly language. High-level languages are human-friendly and machine-independent, such as C, Java, and Python. Machine language is the only language a computer directly understands, written purely in binary zeros and ones. It allows for the fastest execution since no translator is needed, but it is extremely difficult for humans to read, write, or debug. Assembly language is a low-level language that uses alphanumeric symbols called mnemonics like ADD and MOV instead of binary codes. This made it easier to program than machine language, but it still requires an assembler to translate the code into machine code. High-level languages are machine-independent and use simple English-like statements, making them user-friendly and portable. Examples include C, C++, Java, and Python. These languages require a compiler or interpreter to translate them into machine code for execution. Here is a comparison of machine, assembly, and high-level languages. Machine language is the fastest to execute and requires no translator but is difficult to understand. High-level language is easy to understand and portable but slower due to the required translation. Test your knowledge with these quick questions. Which language is directly understood by the computer without a translator? Machine language. Assembly language uses symbols called mnemonics. And high-level languages require a compiler or interpreter, not an assembler. A good programming language is easy to learn, secure, and can run on any computer. We can remember the 7 key characteristics of a good programming language using the exam memory trick, Mr. WRPEG, for maintainability, readability, writability, reliability, portability, efficiency, and generality. Readability refers to how easily a programmer can understand the code, prioritizing simplicity and clarity of syntax. Writability refers to how easily a programmer can create new programs, supported by abstraction and expressiveness. High readability often leads to high writability. Reliability means the program performs correctly under all conditions without crashing, achieved through strong type checking and exception handling. Portability is the ability to run the same program on different machines or operating systems, famously summarized by Java's write once, run anywhere philosophy. Maintainability is the ease of locating errors and modifying code over time. Efficiency relates to fast execution time and minimal memory usage. Generality is the language's multi-purpose applicability to solve various types of problems. Language features directly control the quality of the software. For example, simplicity improves readability and writability. Strong checking limits flexibility but maximizes reliability, which is critical for robust software. Let's review the characteristics with quiz cards. A program that runs on Windows and macOS shows portability. Catching errors and preventing crashes relates to reliability. The ease of updating and fixing code over time is called maintainability. This mind map summarizes all the key concepts covered in Unit 1, programming languages, including the types of languages and the 7 characteristics of a good language. Review this cheat sheet before your exam for guaranteed success.